Good evening, everybody. It is pleasure to introduce our speaker, Shilpa Raut, the derivative lead analyst of PL and a standout figure in India's trading landscape. In the last 6-7 years, Ms. Shilpa has revolutionized the derivative research desk by consistently high strike rates. Her signature Hero Zero, which is a weekly expiry trades, have gained widespread recognition thanks to her discipline and methodology and a deep market insight. I'm delighted to have her today and excited to sharp perspective she is about to share. Welcome, Shilpa. Please take over.
Thank you, Kuljit, and good evening, everyone. I hope the slide is visible. Okay.
Yes, it is visible. Can you make it full screen, please?
Yeah, sure, I will. Yeah, is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just before we start, just let me know, and everybody's comfortable with English, or it has to be a mix of Hindi and English. So, because that is something, I usually get the query about. So if everybody can write in the chat box, how do they want it? Okay. Okay. Just Kuljit, before we start, I just wanted to know the audience we have here.
Audience is basically people from franchisee vertical business partners.
Okay. Okay.
English and Hindi mix, the combination is coming.
Yeah, I get it. Okay. So, okay, this is
Okay,
Pan India, right?
correct.
Okay, so thank you, Kuljit. I'll just take it forward. Okay, so good evening, everyone. I'm Shilpa Raut. I lead the derivative desk over here. And I'm sure all the recommendations that you get throughout the day. SPL derivatives is something that comes from my end. We have calls flashed through this Kambala and mobile application. We also have a Telegram channel. So I'm sure who are associated with PL, they know how to find and where to find PL derivatives call. Okay, so today's session, I will focus more on, what products I have under derivatives and, basically discuss market texture for, probably this series since rollovers just has happened and, maybe discuss a few ideas about sectors and stocks that are likely, to be very positive for this series. ओके इस सेशन में आई डिस्कस कि हम लोग यहाँ पे मार्केट टेक्सचर कैसा है पीएल डेरिवेटिव्स में क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट है जहाँ पे आप इसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं एंड यहाँ पे आपको कौन से कॉल्स पे ध्यान देना है कौन से सेक्टर पे आपको ध्यान देना है रोल ओवर एनालिसिस में कैसा हुआ है इस बार एफआई पोजीशनिंग कैसा है मैं थोड़ा इस पे आज इस पे ध्यान दूंगी ओके So this is the product, of course, everybody knows that, we give calls both in indices and stocks, in futures and options. So there are calls that are weekly. Every Monday at 8:30 a.m., I host a webinar along with Mr. Vikram Kasset, our head advisory, where we discuss about the weekly setup of the market from derivatives point of view and from a fundamentals and a macro point of view from Vikram's end. So in that case, where we discuss, what sectors one can focus on the week and what stocks also we can focus on the week. So that is every Monday at 8:30 in the morning. It's a 30-minute session we do. We also discuss, queries about stocks that people keep asking and giving them an insight of whether whatever they are in the position to hold or, book or exit, whatever it is. सो एवरी मंडे हम लोग यहाँ पे 8:30 में वेबिनार कंडक्ट करते हैं मिस्टर विक्रम कासट हमारे हेड एडवाइजरी और मेरे यहाँ से डेरिवेटिव्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम लोग 8:30 को एक फ्री वेबिनार होता है जहाँ पे हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं स्टॉक्स एंड सेक्टर्स और मैक्रो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मार्केट सेटअप कैसा है और डेटा पॉइंट के हिसाब से मार्केट सेटअप कैसा है तो एवरी मंडे 8:30 आप इस पे ध्यान दे सकते हैं एंड डेरिवेटिव डेस्क से हम लोग कॉल जनरेट करते हैं ऑन डेली बेसिस स्टॉक्स में भी एंड इंडाइसेस में बोथ फ्यूचर्स ऑप्शंस दोनों में वीकली स्ट्रैटेजीज पे रहता है जहाँ पे सेम चीज होता है कि आपका कौन सा कॉल वीकली पे है कौन सा पोजिशनल है कौन सा इंट्राडे है यूजुअली माई recommendations are T+1. I don't go for a very long trades and whatever or wherever I have the scope of doing so I do that in form of positional trades. Just say today, I had given a positional trade on Nifty September 26,500 call. The reason being that, I want to buy time for my trade. So I have given a positional call of 26,500 for September series. So as in when जैसे event place out होता है, I recommend stocks. Uh, uh, there are also event based stocks strategies also I give, when let's say budget is there, or maybe elections, or maybe a result season comes, then also I come out with various option strategies, bull call, bear put, maybe iron condor or butterfly strategies, wherein you play the event properly without risking much. So that is how we also come out. Apart from that, we have PLs, like everybody I'm sure is aware of the Hero Zero trades. So Hero Zero trades are mainly on expiries, weekly expiries for Nifty and Bank Nifty, as and when monthly, wherever I find a scope, I give Hero Zero. Hero Zero is mainly where I focus on highly liquid strikes, wherein you have the premium also on the lower side, and if the view is on the verge of a turnaround, whether it is a put or whether it's a call, if the view is on a turnaround, I try to figure out strikes wherein the premiums are low, and if the view goes right, you make a good handsome returns on that. तो हीरो जीरो जो हमारा यहाँ पे एक प्रोडक्ट है जो काफी पॉपुलर है, यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक्सपायरीज पे बेसिकली, या फिर जैसे एक्सपायरी के नजदीक हम आते हैं तो आई स्टार्ट गिविंग, जहाँ पे बहुत लिक्विड स्ट्राइक्स पे, जहाँ पे अच्छा कम प्रीमियम में आपको कोई स्कोप मिले, मैं वो हाईलाइट करती हूँ, जहाँ पे आपके कम इन्वेस्टमेंट में अच्छा खासा रिटर्न बन सकता है. So Hero Zero is not only on indices. I also give a lot of Hero Zero in stock trades. Basically, either the start of the series wherein the rollovers have come, otherwise, the last week of the series, wherein again, like the premiums are less. So we have given a lot of Hero Zero stock trades and indices both. So, okay, this is, what we do on, regular basis. So every morning at 8:30, 8:30 के बीच में, you will get this one pager note from PL as it's mentioned as daily newsletter from PL Derivative Desk. It comes around 8:30 in the morning, wherein it is a snapshot of what has happened the previous day as per data point of view. So data may, where FIs are placed, which stocks are into long built up, short covering, long unwinding, Nifty and Bank Nifty, how the option chain is placed. So this is what is completely summed up in a tabular manner. So so that it's easy for anybody to just grasp and understand. I'll also explain what it contains. तो यहाँ पे ये हर रोज एक 8:30 in the morning आपको ये वन पेजर व्हाट्सएप्स में और टेलीग्राम चैनल्स में यूजुअली मिलता है, जहाँ पे डिस्कस ये एक छोटा सा स्नैपशॉट दिया जाता है, जहाँ पे निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी के प्लेसमेंट कैसे हैं एज पर ऑप्शन चेन, एफआईएस डेटा कैसे है, और कौन से स्टॉक यहाँ पे लॉन्ग बिल्टअप, शॉर्ट कवरिंग, लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग में है. So if you understand this, you will know that what stocks you're supposed to focus for the day on the long side, short side, कहाँ पे short covering आ सकता है और कहाँ पे आपको avoid करना है. Long unwindings are the stocks usually that we try to avoid, because that is where it is completely at bottom. So we don't know whether these stocks will show a vertical V recovery, or it will go show further downside. So long unwinding is one area that one has to avoid till you get any sort of trend confirmation further. बाकी शॉर्ट कवरिंग टुडे, शॉर्ट कवरिंग ये टुडे आज मॉर्निंग का था, तो आज यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो के फिनटेक, आई रिकमेंडेड टुडे, इट रियली शोड वेरी गुड gains. Mankind was also recommended from the technical desk, it also showed gains. And we saw Federal Bank coming out very strongly, we saw Unum India, Hero Moto on the long side playing out very well. So if you see this this short table that we have long built up, short covering, and long unwinding, the stocks that we highlight here, those 4 to 5 in each category, gives you a very good trading place. You know where you have to focus and where you can keep an eye on for the day. ये जो लॉन्ग बिल्टअप, शॉर्ट बिल्टअप और ये शॉर्ट कवरिंग और लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग का जो ये टेबल होता है, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आपके लिए. इसमें क्या होगा, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आज के दिन में आपको कौन से स्टॉक्स पे ध्यान देना है, कौन से लॉन्ग साइड में, कौन से शॉर्ट साइड में। तो ये आपको बहुत इजी हो जाएगा समझने के लिए कि मुझे कौन से सेक्टर पे और कौन से स्टॉक पे आज इनिशियली आपको ध्यान देना है। सो दिस कम्स एवरी मॉर्निंग, आप इस पे ध्यान दे सकते हैं। देन दिस इज वन छोटा सा एक नोट जो मैं हमेशा 8:30 के अराउंड मॉर्निंग में व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम में अगेन भेजती हूँ, जो ये प्रीवियस टेबल का थोड़ा एलेबरेटेड वर्जन है, लेकिन इसमें एक स्ट्रैटेजी मैं देती हूँ इंट्राडे के हिसाब से। यहाँ पे जैसे आज का मॉर्निंग था कि मैंने यहाँ पे क्लियरली लिखा था कि एफआईएस का पोजिशनिंग 8.5% पे नेट लॉन्ग्स पे आ गया है, जो सिग्निफाई करता है कि एक टर्न अराउंड आएगा और मार्केट में यहाँ पे आज इंडाइसेस में आप बुलिश रह सकते हैं। और यहाँ पे मैंने दिया हुआ था कि पोजीशन आप 24,600 से लेके 550 के बीच में बाई कर सकते हैं, आपका टारगेट 24,800। ये हमेशा एज पर फ्यूचर लेवल्स रहता है, बिकॉज आई ओनली केटर टू डेरिवेटिव्स, तो मेरे ऑल लेवल्स आर इन फ्यूचर्स अंटिल एंड अनलेस इफ स्पेसिफिक कहीं पे मैं मेंशन करती हूँ कि स्पॉट प्राइसेस पे। तो दिस इज अ मॉर्निंग नोट दैट इज सेंट अक्रॉस एवरी मॉर्निंग अराउंड 8:30, where I elaborate what happened little in a better manner, where anybody can read and understand what to do. I had mentioned very clearly in the morning today in this note that FIs have gone dropped the net longs to 8.5%, which is only signifying the view that market is all set for a good turnaround, and it could be a cautiously positive day for indices. And I had also given the strategy of intraday where you're supposed to buy. So entry for long positions should be considered around 24,600 was my first trigger. Today's lows in futures were 24,630, and the target of 24,800 is where we saw, and the targets getting hit. And these levels are always as per futures. Until and unless I mention specifically anywhere spot, otherwise you have to consider all my levels as per futures. Bank Nifty also had a very clear view that the trade setup is more positive for the long ones. So because support is at 55,000 and resistance at 57,000. So today I've given a bull call spread also in Bank Nifty for this monthly series. The same levels, 55,800 to buy and sell 57,000. So I hope everybody has found that trade and executed, because that is something I'm very bullish on. I think markets is all about on a very strong turnaround. Nifty also have recommended 26,500 September series and strike at around 40 rupees. So treat that as a hero zero, and because I believe market can rally at least a 1,500 points from here. So if we have a lot of time till September end, so in that case the premium would erode very easily. And if the view was right that 40 rupees can also climb up to 400 or 700 points, so you have a very strong upside to play and very limited downside to cater to. So 40 rupees, 26,500 September series. I hope everybody has taken that position and is invested in that. So this is again a OI spurt thing that we sent across 10th and 13th in the morning, after the market opens up. Again highlighting, where, stocks, Nifty, Bank Nifty, where we mention the current CMP and where the highest call writers and highest put writers are placed. We highlight Nifty and Bank Nifty along with that 10 stocks. So what this helps you in what? This helps you in understanding at 10, 10, 30 in the morning. Again, which sectors and which stock specific actions are happening and where you are supposed to have your focus on. So any let's say you talk about let's say Lodha, this was on Thursdays, this is the Thursdays OI spurt. Let's say Lodha, the highest call writers are at 1,500 and highest put writers at 1,200. Stock trading at 1255. So for me, 1,200 is my support, because put writers, wherever they are the support, and call writers, wherever they are the immediate targets or resistance. So anywhere my stock which is trading near the support should be my buy. So Lodha for me would have been a buy since Friday with a stop loss of 1,200, and I'm aiming for a targets towards 1,500. Likewise, Kotak Bank, Laurus Lab, and any stock that is trading on the higher side. Let's say PI Industries 4150, and the highest call writers at 4,200 and put writers at 3,900. So for me, this becomes 4,200 becomes my resistance, so this becomes my stop loss for a short sell, and looking for targets towards 4,000 to 3,900. So this is how you are supposed to play this one. OI spurts, these are not recommendations, but these are only help tools that will help you understand where you have to pay your फोकस। ये जो OI स्पॉट होता है ये रोज मार्केट ओपन होने के बाद 10:30-11 बजे तक हम लोग भेजते हैं। इसमें क्या होता है, हम लोग निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी और 10 स्टॉक्स को हाईलाइट करते हैं जहाँ पे OI पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत ज्यादा है। इसमें क्या होता है, हाईएस्ट कॉल राइटर्स और हाईएस्ट पुट राइटर्स कहाँ पे प्लेस्ड हैं वो हम लोग एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। और अगर कॉल राइटर्स के पास आपका प्राइस है, मान लीजिए कोटक बैंक जैसे 1995, हाईएस्ट कॉल राइटर्स 2000 पे है, तो ये मेरा रेजिस्टेंस हो जाएगा। तो मतलब ये यहाँ से मैं थोड़ा सेल कर सकती हूँ। टारगेट यहाँ पे मुझे 1900 तक मिल सकता है। तो यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे प्लेस करना है, अगर कॉल राइटर्स के पास आपका करंट CMP है तो आप सेल कर सकते हैं। पुट राइटर्स के बाद अगर आपका करंट CMP है तो आप बाई कर सकते हैं, और स्टॉप लॉस आपके ये जो लेवल्स हैं ये मेंटेन होंगे। I hope everybody is understanding this because it is very important. It helps a lot for people who are not very active with derivatives, but they know this will help you to understand where you can lay your focus on. Okay, now this is the weekly and the monthly setup of sectors. This was done in the morning today. What I discussed about the webinar that we do, and morning where we discuss how the monthly setup is there sector wise, how the weekly setup is there. So of course in today morning before market open, this was a scenario where we saw monthly and weekly all the sectors were in red. But since I highlighted that it's time for a turnaround, so if I download today's daily sectorial view, I'm sure mostly will be in green. So that is how you start placing, understanding where you are supposed to have your eyes on. So like today morning, I had spoken about ethanol. I had spoken about, some turnaround in metals, maybe FMCG to continue to grow. And, many sectors that have shown outrightly a lot of selling now will be the first ones to see that rally as well. So you can always tune in every Monday at 8:30 to know about all these sectors. So this is again a heat map that I discuss every time in the morning webinar, where I highlight what stocks to play. Today I had very clearly mentioned JSL, Amber, and Bosch, AU Bank, Marico, ITC. Few stocks that we discussed in the morning, they have all shown a lot of upside today. But of course, markets were also on a turnaround. So everything that we discussed also played very positively. So, now if we talk about the setup for Nifty for the next three series, we see that throughout all the next three series, we see 24,000 put writers are very active, which means that this is where is a support. So like I've mentioned on after the rollover analysis on Friday, that 24,000 becomes a positional stop loss. So keep that and, look for targets of 25,500 to 26,000. Like I said, expect a rally of 1,500 points on the immediate basis. Now, talking about Bank Nifty, we see that 55,000 generally is holding as a good support, and on the upside, we see 59,000 also showing some clarity. Of course, the first resistance at 57,000. Above that, you will see the levels of 59,000 as well. So, Nifty Bank Nifty में जैसे हमने ये डिस्कस किया है, रोल ओवर के एनालिसिस में भी मैंने मॉर्निंग नोट में लिखा हुआ था फ्राइडे को, दैट 24,000 आपका स्टॉप लॉस हो जाता है, वो सपोर्ट है। और यहाँ से एटलीस्ट 1500 पॉइंट का आप रैली अपसाइड एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पे 26,000 लेवल्स आ सकता है। लाइकवाइज बैंक निफ्टी में 55,000 पे अच्छा खासा सपोर्ट है, और पहला रेजिस्टेंस है 57,000। इसके ऊपर सस्टेन होता है तो आपको नेक्स्ट टारगेट से 59,000 भी आएंगे। Okay. So now, if you talk about few sectors, of course, all sectors will now show robust strength. But out of these, I feel banking, NBFCs, FMCG, technology, metals show more power. So these are these are the sectors that one can now immediately focus on. And apart from that, I have as per data. I had come out with few stock recommendations that shows a lot of upside again. Coforge, SBI, JSL, Marico, UPL, Eternal, these are looking very strong with immediate support zones nearby and a lot of upside on the potential. So one can always look at these stocks as well. I had also come out with IT thematic, last week, which has also shown a lot of potential. Emphasis from that pick. That basket had also hit our targets. Coforge was also in there. So that is again something that I'm looking forward to. Coforge, definitely not a miss. And SBI, not only SBI, actually the PSU banking index is looking something, on showing some sort of good momentum now. I believe there's a good upside. So you can focus on Bank of India, Union Bank, then Indian Bank today are recommended also, SBI. So private banks might take a back seat, and PSU banks will take a front seat right now. And also in metals, it's not only JSL, it is actually JSW Steel, Jindal Steel also looking very positive. you can definitely focus on metals. Chemicals, UPL looks very, very strong. So, should be the in on your radar. 800 plus target is something that, we are looking ahead. So this is again one thing. So these few of our recent, star calls that we have given from the derivative desk. Like I said, the Hero Zero, Nifty. We have given future trades. We have given, call option, the stock option trades, and you can see the kind of return that we have generated. Where stocks are intraday also we mentioned, where these recommendations are mostly T+1. It's usually intraday, or otherwise in a couple of days we see that such returns coming in. So, this was recently one of our best trades that we have given. So, definitely everybody can focus, and you can pass this on to your clients as well to understand, how we play and what we do. And this is the month on month, our derivative desk performance that, have delivered. So, anything you want also, we can definitely push this ahead for your clients, for, people to understand what they can do. And this is where the stocks are placed. Of course, Odin is no more there. It is Kambala right now. So we'll just edit that. Otherwise, PLDG trade is also not there. We have our own channel of, understanding. But of course, this Telegram channels are there. You can definitely join there and have, you can always get our recommendations. So thank you. So now what we can do is that we can open this forum for discussions, wherein you can ask me a query and I try and answer as much as possible. If in case I miss any also, you can always get in touch with me. I'll just post my email ID so that it becomes easy for anybody to get in touch for your recommendation. That's for your research help.
Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you, Shilpa. What a wonderful insight. For everybody to remember, uh, every day morning by 8 to 8:30, Derivative Desk sends a newsletter. Ensure that everybody reads it. Morning note is also shared. Then OI Spurt, okay, which gives you kind of a levels, whereby once you start understanding, you can decide your own calls by checking on the levels as guided by Shilpa. That was a really wonderful thing because to identify some stocks out of so many, Shilpa, wonderful job. I think it's quite a very helpful thing what you have generated. Then very recently, what Shilpa has mentioned that there are some PSU stocks to look at, metals and UBL. These scripts are also mentioned by her. So what I suggest is please start reading whatever we share, and a lot of efforts are done. And getting up early morning, then she has to travel, generate all these reports. Okay, and the reports generated very specifically. It's not that the reports are too long to read, very specific reports so that they are actionable. So I suggest everybody should start reading and join, speak to your RM, try to join the Telegram channels, whatever channels we have shared. And now what I suggest, if any questions needs you have, please type it in the chat box. We will try to resolve.
Okay, just one query. Somebody has posted that, I don't give the list of my loss-making calls. It is absolutely not true. We share a daily performance report on daily basis over emails, over WhatsApp, over Telegram. So the slide that I showed, they were star calls. Definitely those were celebrated calls. And otherwise, our performance is updated on daily basis and shared across, very transparent. So there's nothing that we hide, and there's nothing, as a desk or as analyst, we are ashamed of if we hit a stop loss, because that's a part and parcel of the game. And we have a very strong strike rate. So that is something we celebrate. So don't feel this way that we don't highlight our stop loss calls. We do, and never we alter a stop loss. We are the first ones to make sure that you're out of your trade if it's sitting stop loss.
Well said, Shilpa. Any further questions? Partners, please feel free.
Okay, Mr. Vinith is asking, Kuljit, can we share this PPT for pitching new client? Definitely, I guess you can. I don't think that would should be a problem. If anyways, also if you require any other support talking to your client, you can always get in touch with me. I can, help you make them understand, whatever query they have. Okay, any more query? Anybody, need any?
Dharmender is asking, Madam, can you help me where I can find stocks for the intraday? He uses ChartLink.
Okay, so charting is something I don't use. I'm very much into NSE option chain, so that is where I keep my focus on. OI and derivatives and option chain is something that I only look forward to.
विनीत सर, आपके लिए इतना मेहनत ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है, शॉर्टलिस्ट करके दिए हैं स्टॉक्स आपको, ये रिपोर्ट्स में स्टेबल है एंड इट स्टडी किया हुआ स्टॉक्स होता है, सो इट्स बेटर रादर देन फाइंडिंग योर ओन वे. Some people have done a lot of efforts to find out some stocks for you. Start using it. Hopefully, more profits will be seen.
Mr. Binod Rai is asking about protein, but actually, I only cater to derivatives universe. So please, any derivatives F&O universe stock query if you have, I can definitely answer that. But apart from that, all the dealers, RMs here, please help me. Ask queries that can help you build your business or acquire new clients. So that whatever time we have today, me and Kuljit, we are trying to help you build a base here, have a platform, so that I understand what is your need, and I can definitely curate my things as per your needs, so that it helps you in your business.
Correct. Friends, please use this opportunity to increase your business or to use your to increase your knowledge, which should help you speak to your customers, service your customers better, and it will enhance increasing your client base and also increase the portfolio of the customer, giving profits. Rather than no, let's not be specific about particular stocks or ask some questions that you can always ask individually later on. Use this platform wisely.
Okay, most of the PPs wants index expiry calls. I guess I am very very aggressive on index calls. On daily basis. I have Bank Nifty Nifty. So if you want anything specific, whether it is a selling of any option call or whatever, so please write that so that I also know what you're exactly asking, because I'm loaded with index calls always.
Dr. Vishwas Misra is asking for kindly give consolidated performance for 12 months.
I think we have shared that only for the past 2 years. From 22, we have shared that. So you can have that slide and you can know,
Okay, so when we share the PPT, that will be part of the slide.
See, whether to buy or sell options, somebody is asking. So I believe in more on buying of options, because that is where your risk is managed. Whatever premium you pay is your maximum loss, no matter what happens in the market. Selling of options is not everybody's cup of tea. So I would suggest that, if you're not that pro or understanding derivatives nicely, you are not supposed to go in selling of options.
Any other questions? No. Okay, Shilpa, thank you so much for the insights what you have shared, which you always do. Thanks a lot. Thanks once again.
Thank you so much, Kuljit, and thank you everyone for joining.
Okay, friends, we will be sharing an email so that your feedback can be collected. You will receive a mail. Please give the feedback and use this webinar for the benefit, and you can increase your customer base. Or if any queries, please write to us. Thank you so much.